Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This is the Quest 2. My name is Tony and this is the 15-minute gamer channel. Now you might be thinking, Tony, didn't you have a Rift? You've done lots of VR videos on your channel. Yes, I did, but unfortunately I had to sell it to fund my new PC. Because, yeah, it was like, well, at the time about £300 or £400 sitting around. I was like, well, my current PC can't really run it very well. But I kind of don't want to sell it because when I get a new computer, I will be able to run it. And it was one of them quandaries. So anyway, we have the Quest 2. This only came out today. I ordered it direct from the Oculus store. I ordered my Rift from there as well because it's free delivery. It comes on time and that sort of thing. It's not the only thing I ordered. I also ordered the Elite strap and also the cable as well for the link cable, which I'll cover in a second. So, the newest generation, we have higher resolution, we have better battery life, and lots of other improvements over the Quest 1. If you're looking to get into VR, this little bad boy here does not need a PC. You can just use it from kind of like link to your phone to get the store and that sort of thing. For the grand total of £288 for the 64GB version. If you want to go for a little bit more storage, and I think it's the 128, you will need around about £399, which isn't too bad considering when the Rift came out, I paid something like $650 for it and it used your PC. So I think for a standalone, which I wanted to go for this time, the reason for that is I don't have the greatest amount of room in my spare room to game. It's around about 2 by 2 meters, but because I'm working from home now, that's taking up some space. So I'm not able to game in here as much. So I thought, well, you know what? I can go on the Oculus store, download some games, and play in my living room, which is more than big enough. So yeah, this is why I went for this one. But if you want to play games on your PC, you can using this, which is basically just a USB-C cable, ultra high speed. In this bad boy, believe it, it's also hard on the camera, believe it or not, £88. Pretty expensive for a USB cable. I will be looking after that USB cable. This then plugs into that, which then links up to your PC and you have no problems. Also, on top of that, I bought the strap, which is here. Now, one of the reviews I was looking at on the Quest 2 was that it's not particularly comfortable on your head, and they do recommend buying this. The reason it's not packaged with the VR itself is they wanted to keep costs low. So this is £49, which, to be fair, I don't think it's that much money, to be fair. So I was happy £49. And what you get is you get these sides, a new back end sort of clasp for your head. So it's a lot more comfortable. And apparently using this makes it one of the most comfortable headsets you can get and allows for long gaming sessions, which for me is perfect. So I like me racing games and stuff like that. And what we're going to do today is a little unboxing video. I don't do many of these, so it's nice to do one. I'll start with the strap, then the cable, then we'll look at the Oculus and see what it's all about. So there'll be a few little jump cuts and that. Also, I've got a bit of funny setup, so if my voice sort of peels away, it's just where the mic is, so future apologies for that. So without further ado, let's get cracked on with it. So if you ever wondered what an £88 USB cable looks like, there it is. So one end plugs into your Rift, one end into your computer. I just thought, do I have USB-C on my PC? That could be a problem. I didn't think of that. But yeah, that's what you're looking at there. So that's the link cable. It's quite long. It's quite a few meters long, so it's going to reach around, which is always a good thing. So yeah, that is what the cable looks like. Go. So this is the Elite strap here. As you can see, here's the little cusp sort of thing that's going to go on the back of your head. It's got a little turny lever here, which as you can see makes it smaller or tighter on your head. That's how it attaches to your Quest, so just there. It's hard to keep in shot because it's quite big. So yeah, that'll attach. So you just unplug the old ones, plug them in, and there you go. You've got the head strap there, which is going to go over your head and then fit. So that's what £49 gets you. What else is in the box? Not much. Just some instructions on how to do it and a cardboard box with more instructions. So yeah, that's kind of all it tells you. Couple of things in there, as you can see. And that's what you get in the box. That is the Elite strap. Next up, let's have a look at the unit itself. So this is the box. This is what you get for all your money. So first off, let's have a look at the controllers. They haven't changed much from the Rift. I would say they're pretty much the same. They feel a little bit lighter. I must admit, a little bit lighter. See what they're like in game. But yeah, the Rift controls were very good. So I'm looking forward to giving them a go. I'm guessing this is a plug of some description. It's all quite nicely packaged, to be fair. Yep, there we go. There's the plug with your USB-C charging cable, so you can charge the unit itself when not in use. Not sure how long the battery life is. It'll be interesting to kind of see from there. And here's the unit. We're going to be very careful of getting this out. Actually, first, come on. There we go. So first off, you have a glasses spacer. So if you wear glasses, you put this on. But I have heard that unfortunately it does push the unit a little bit away from your face, which can cause a few like light issues coming in. So I don't know, I do wear glasses, so it'll be interesting to try that. And then the unit itself, which I know is going to be a bit heavier than the actual Rift I used to have, but that doesn't feel actually that heavy. That's quite light. See in there, got the lenses. And there's the strap it comes with. Can you see the difference? So if we're that's just going to get absolutely filthy. It's like a strange like mesh material. Yeah, that's not very good. Is that? Look, it's hard to get this in shot. Yeah, you can see that it's just nowhere near the quality of what you're getting for the Elite straps. So I would definitely recommend that. That's one of the first things I'm going to be doing is fitting that. And yeah, the unit itself is quite nice. I like it. It's not too heavy. I guess it's pretty easy to use, which is going to be good. I was just having a look there. And yeah, I'm going to get this set up today and have a bit of a play this evening. Looking forward to it. I was just about to head on Ghost of Tsushima for the PlayStation 4, but looks like my day is now sorted. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back with some impressions and a bit of review on it when I've had a chance to play around with it. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.